This is Tommy. This is a introduction video for an AI hackathon project called Matchmatrix. Matchmatrix is a job matching platform, but this is powered by AI technologies. This is just a basic working version. So this will be a short introduction video, just to have a checkpoint. I think the best way to introduce you how Matchmatrix works is just to go through the whole process with you. That way you can understand how it works. So in a job matching, in any like job searching platform, there are commonly two roles. So one role is employer, and then we have a job seeker. So let's sign in with as an employer for now. Okay, we have our credentials. Okay, now this hiring manager is logged in. His name is Steve Jobs. You can see we are logged in by looking at the by seeing the button changed here. And then we can go to our profile, edit profile, yada yada. These stuff we can see this in all job seeking platforms, right? Company details and benefits and team composition stuff. Now opening positions. These part are hard coded value. We will see the real job post later. And then company culture, these like an edit profile and these stuffs. Okay, and then what we are interested in is the dashboard. So as a hiring manager, look at this. Welcome Steve Jobs at your company name. So as a hiring manager, we should be able to post our jobs, and then applicants can apply for our jobs, right? So let's do it. Start a new job title, let's say cool developer, like 10 times AI developer. We want a 10 times AI developer that can run the whole company. Okay, who doesn't want an employee like this? Okay, requires skills. So as a 10 times developer, you probably need to know a lot of things. But for here, we just gonna select a couple skills. Let's say Android development. This is a developer, and then probably CI/CD, then Docker, Fast API. GitHub Actions. Okay, that's all the required skills here. What's the location? This location is remotely available. And the physical location would be Toronto. What's the job type? This gotta be a full-time, because you need to run the whole company. And then the minimum salary, let's say like 90K. Like 90, 1, 2, 3, yep, to 15, 1, 2, 3, yes. What's the experience level? You gotta be very good. So let's say you need to be like a lead developer. Post job, oh, must be greater on all. Okay, I see. Good. Okay, 10 times AI developer. We can see our post here. Now we can view our post. Okay, we have all the information we just input, and we can edit jobs and view applicants. But for now, we don't have any applicants yet because we just post this job. So, and then we should just move to a candidate side. Okay, so for candidate, we would just create a new account. Actually, yeah. Let's say candidate1 at gmail.com. Then some password, simple password. Next step. Okay, candidate, it's Steve Evans? No, let me think of a name. Chris Evans. Okay. I'm a candidate. I'm not a company. Okay. Yeah. Create account. Then we need to complete our profile. Our full name is Chris Evans, and what's our professional headline? Like 9 times AI developer. Bio. I'm a cool developer. Where's the location? Let's say I'm in New York. Years of experience, 100. Education, let's say Stanford University. Complete profile. Okay, and then we can add our work experience, skills, and a bunch of things. Let's add some skills. I'm a pretty strong developer, so I need to know CI/CD, but I probably don't. Yeah, I want to know Django, and then let's just try to select all the skills we have in the previous job post. Android, CI/CD, Docker, Fast API, GitHub Actions. Okay. Android, I should implement a search functionality here. CI/CD and some more superset. Okay, Django, Docker, GitHub Actions. Okay, MySQL. I think we can just leave it here. It's hard to find 100% fit individuals in a job post, but it's close enough. Let's say preference not. Okay, we need to set our work experience. Add a work big experience. Job title. First we have we are like a 5 times developer. Company Google. Location Toronto. And then some cool description. Okay, we have a work experience now, and then we become a 9 times developer in our current role. That's it. Right now we are in Meet. Okay, this is New York, because my location is in New York, and I currently work here. Yeah, this is today, whatever. Okay. Promoted. Yep. Okay, and we have education sections. We have inputted a Stanford University before, but this will be fixed in a more stable version. This is just a basic minimum working version. Degree, bachelor's. Okay, this is actually I just want to put something nonsense. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's get through the next steps. Okay, we have everything. We have our education, and then our skills, job preference. We are not specified. As a candidate, we can also go to a dashboard to apply for jobs. Okay, you can see. Okay, there are a lot of jobs, and we don't have any applications. We see this 10 times AI developer we just posted by Steve Jobs. Okay, view job. Okay, I can see this job. I want to apply for it. Oh, nice. Then I think the candidate's jobs is done for here, and then let's go back to employer. Okay, and then let's go back to our. Oh yeah, we can see view candidates. Oh, we already have a candidate that applied for our jobs, and the match score is the skill requirements is 80% match with our job requirements, which is really good. I think this is a very strong candidate. So, but I still want to know some more information about this candidate. So I'm gonna view his profile. Of course, this is a very minimal clean profile, but we also have a choice to ask AI to summarize the information for us. So we just wait. Okay. Chris Evans, extensive 100% of experience. Okay, yeah. Okay, strong education background from Stanford. That's me. Yeah, Android whatever. Yeah, skills. Yeah. So it would basically tell all the information for this candidate, and then we can just move this candidate to the next round. So we had the applied candidate. It's moved to screening now, and then once we send online assessment, and then we can move to next round, and then keep going. Yeah, and we can also view like different applicants for different job postings. Oh yeah, and then you can see for this job post we have 2 candidates. Yeah, we have as an employer, we probably will receive lots of applications. So we will have batch actions. So we can select multiple candidates, multiple applicants, and then do something else. Oh yeah, this is one candidate is already in the offer stage. So let's put it back to screening. Okay, and then move to next round. Yes. Yep. Okay. I guess that's it. This is just a basic minimum working version of Match Matrix. I'm gonna add some more details and then some more features and some more enhancement, but after my final's done. But for this version, I think I made a good use of AI technologies to help me to code. So here we have cursor. I guess it's literally really hard to. No, it's not very hard. Like vibe coding is very powerful, but you got to know the skills to how to work with it. And then we can see the database to make sure all the data are saved here. And then we can use edge functions to something called edge functions to trigger our AI summary. I guess that's it. I'm gonna make a new video once I have time and make some updates. Hopefully I can learn a lot. I have already learned a lot from this project. Hopefully I can learn more. And vibe coding is very powerful, very interesting.